We are so sorry that we teased you on that last video. We're actually going to be revealing the next supercar DCG 65.
But before we do that, we bought a $50,000 mystery box from 1016. I told them, put whatever you want in there to make this supercar look better for you guys.
Is that even possible?
Yeah, let's get into it.
Hey, where's my drill?
You don't get power tools, but you can use this.
What is this?
How much is this bumper for this supercar?
6,000.
9,500.
That's almost my truck.
Guess how much all these parts are?
Judging by that, 30.
$50,000.
My truck is 28. My whole truck is 28.
Just the two bumpers and the fenders are worth more than your truck.
Stupid!
Now, what makes this mystery box $50,000? Rear bumper, side skirts, one wing, one mystery front bumper, and two mystery parts. I have no clue what these things are or what they do, but we're gonna find out soon enough.
So these are all the body panels, but we have so many more parts that we gotta put on here, like the exhaust and the wheels, but we have to have all of these on this car by tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. We gotta get to work and reveal this bad boy. Here you have it, DCG 65. We now have 3 Lamborghinis in the shop. I don't think we've ever had this many Lamborghinis in the shop. Obviously, this car does not sound that great with the stock exhaust, but we have a lot of work that we're gonna be doing on this car. And what are those things gonna be, Casey?
Do the exhaust, the lowering springs, all the body panels, wheels, tires, tune, a lot of other stuff that I can't remember, but we have to get it all done by tomorrow, at least the body, so we can get it off to paint.
True, we have a lot of work. All of these body panels right here are going to be taken off, put onto this car, pulled off of this car, and then we're gonna go get the car paint match. So we're in a bit of a time crunch. One fender down. Now we just gotta do this one. Did you know that in every single Lamborghini, you're gonna find one piece of spaghetti?
This one has adaptive suspension.
So we finished taking off all the panels that we needed to, and we got the new ones fitted, but now we gotta take off this suspension and get a new one in there, and then we gotta take off this exhaust because it sounds a little bit like a vacuum. Casey, what are you doing?
Sorry, I'm just cleaning up the mess. But it honestly really does sound like a vacuum cleaner.
Yes, this thing does sound like a vacuum cleaner, so we're going to get that fixed. But while we were doing all of this, we got a special package, and this is the wrap. Look how beautiful this color is. Now, I know I'm kidding with you guys. You can't see it because we're in black and white right now. But this wrap is going to stand out like crazy. I'm so excited to get it on the car. Paul, what do you think of the wrap?
Dude, it's gonna be freaking sick. This is a new color. We've never done this color before. Maybe one similar on a specific car, but I'm not gonna name it because you have to wait to see what it is. But it's gonna be absolutely insane on a Huracan.
So make sure you stick around to the end of the video because this car is going to look insane. And just like that, we're gonna have it all done in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, that was fast.
It was. How does this thing look, Casey?
It looks great. Where's the rear bumper?
The bumper's right here, you silly. But we did get a new exhaust, which sounds freaking insane. We will hear it later in this video, so stick around, because it sounds insane.
Look. Whoa, look at all this forged carbon fiber that magically appeared on this vehicle.
Just like that.
Just like that.
All there.
Forged carbon, forged carbon, forged carbon. Forged carbon, forged carbon louvered fenders, forged carbon front bumper, What?
We obviously know with the car being black, you can't really see like how much all of this forged carbon stands out. So we're going to fix that with the wrap. We teased you guys a little bit, but trust me, we're gonna be showing that to you. It looks really good.
Dude, I'm so excited to see how that color looks on this car. It's gonna make the forged carbon just pop.
We haven't shown you guys yet, but look at these wheels. Look how amazing they are.
Woo! And they're directional.
This one has adaptive suspension.
You wanna see something cool? This whole bumper is carbon fiber. It's no fiberglass crap. Full carbon fiber.
But now we're waiting for our boy Chuck to come here from Canada, and he's gonna wrap this car, and it is gonna look so beautiful. Chuck, how long have you been working on this thing?
Like this car right here, bud?
Yes, this car right here.
We're 2 days now.
2 days, and the car looks like it's almost done. How many cars of ours have you wrapped?
18,
18? Since when?
7 years ago.
Dang! I would have been 16 years old when Chuck started wrapping for us.
This is gonna be one of the most badass cars 8080 has ever built.
Casey,
My guy.
what do you think of the car? It's almost done. Chuck wrapped this thing so fast.
Are we still in black and white?
We are.
Oh.
Well, now we're not.
Oh, snap. Okay, well, in that case.
Well, now we are.
Don't mess with me. Look at this color. Are you kidding me? If you want to be standing out, this is the one.
We're going to be showing you this so soon. The car is almost done. Casey just practically has to put it back together, and we'll be done.
Get to work. I need a break. Nah. Yeah. Come on, please.
Nah.
Come on. I'll give you a Snickers.
Well, 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 the car is all put together and it looks amazing. I'm sitting here looking at it right now. I can't wait to show you guys. We're gonna go take some pictures of both the cars, make some posters, which you guys can purchase on our website. But first, we gotta give a big thank you to Casey and Chuck for working so hard on this car and making it look so amazing. And also, thank you to you guys for supporting us. We wouldn't be able to give away cars like this if it wasn't for you guys. So we are gonna go take both the cars out and we're gonna go take some pictures of them, and then we are going to reveal it. So let's go do this thing. So we're in the blue Lamborghini right now. Listen to how crazy this thing is. Dang! That's insane! Oh my gosh. We made it to our photo spot and we were getting pictures of both the cars, and this is the moment you guys have all been waiting for, the reveal of DCG 65.
Yeah, give me all your attention. One time for the misfits. Through the doors open on the highway. I promise you won't miss this. They say the good die young, but this is gonna be a long one. I'm brushing the dust off, took the high road to the trust fall, and I'm feeling unlimited. Starting up finishing.
Here you have it, DCG 65. I hope you guys love this car as much as we do. We've had so much fun building this car and driving this car, and we know that one of you lucky winners are going to love this car even more than us. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. So we got Paul driving next to us. I don't even know if you can hear me, but listen to how loud this thing is. Oh my gosh!
My ears are ringing.
We need some hearing aids.